Good day, Thrift Dads. Mark here again today. We will be cleaning our Glock after 300 rounds. So, this one, we will be using gun oil. Actually, I prefer the engine oil for my trucks. Then the inclusive accessories from Glocks, which is the barrel brush, and put on sun gloves, and of course your unit. And for the cleaning, I'll be using the electronic spray contact cleaner. Any brand will do. First we will disassemble our unit, then we'll clean it part from part. Let's just arrange this and make sure you have some tablecloths or paper towels for ease of cleaning. And let's start. After prepping, just prepare our electronic spray cleaner or electronic contact cleaners. First we will do the slide. You see the residue. Now my daughter is now calling me. I apologize for that. Then we'll clean the barrel. Make sure to twist the barrel according to its groove, so not to damage the rifling of the barrel. And make sure you spray on the inner part so that it will clean itself. Then twist according to its groove. You see, so much gunk and dirt in there. Then twist according to its rifling. Then clean again. Make sure it's free from all that gunk or residue. One good thing about this contact cleaner is it dries very quickly. Then the lower body, where the load residue sits. And make sure you wipe it off after, just to make sure it's fully dried up. Then we will start the assembly. Make sure the spring sits on the second ridge. And wipe it off for some more after cleaning. Then let's use this oil where metal to metal makes contacts. I do not apply it generously because it will spread all over once you rack the slide. wipe some excess. Very important to wipe some excess so your unit will not collect any dust. And make sure all the metal to metal contacts will be well lubricated. Let's test. Now that's a good one. Then spray some contact cleaners for the excess oils. And after that, I disassemble it and run it again with oil. And after it, I'll wrap it in a paper cloth to clean off all its oil residue from the outer body of the unit, so when you're holding it during firing, it will not slip off from your hands. The paper towels will absorb all the outside oils or excess oils from the gun. So I let it sit for around at least 8 hours to fully absorb the excess oils from the slides to the handle.